Barber.
We'll put Fifi on the bed with it, that'll wake it up.
John. Look at the drop.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning, good, thank you.
Have you seen myself?
Yeah, I have. I love them.
Know about suspension and all sorts of things. That's easy. Good. It's good.
You have never been. You wanna buy this one? Dress?
We should do our Christmas party.
Yellow dress.
Make if you buy this, both of them I'll give $15.
Always.
Silent favor. Ring, ring. Be better after breakfast. So, I wanna bring you to Hidden Gem, the best nasi goreng in Brisbane.
Thanks for the dance, Dad.
So we go around first. Bagel. Bagel. croissant. You want a croissant?
He'll be, I don't know what he'll be doing, but he'll be doing something.
Pasta King. Gnocchi gnocchi. You have never been in love. Do-do-do-do-do. Falafel. Cherry. Ooh, dragon fruit. You wanna buy a dragon fruit?
Oh, that reds.
Yeah. Veggie. Joe, Coffee and Co.
What would you like?
Outdoor. The one outdoor, this one is got the inside, it's got the outside.
Skip. Cancun. Look at that pineapple. Yeah, only down there, red dragon fruit.
Most of them are like.
Look at that dog hat.
It's so cute.
We just decided not to.
Veggie and fruit. Huh?
One of the guys I work with, his family must run the fruit and veg there.
Oh, your friend last week?
No,
Or different?
same team.
Same thing. Maybe food first. Okay, time for breakfast. So I want a nasi goreng for breakfast. What do you want for breakfast?
Let's see what's here. I do like the scallion.
One on garlic, one on plain.
Can you see how? Down shots at everyone.
Hungarian. Korean. Oh, they don't sell it.
They're not here. Oh,
Rolling the other guy.
Your
Devastating.
favorite pancake? Not. Yeah.
dude.
Ooh, that's pancake maybe? Oh, that's yummy. So I want to order nasi goreng here. It's the best nasi goreng in Brisbane.
I think it's just because I flew in from New Zealand 10, 15 minutes old.
Nasi goreng, the best nasi goreng, pastel, rujak jambu klutuk. What's name?
Lagos.
Lagos. What is this? Oh, coconut.
Coconut lemonade.
Stop makan. Oh, nasi goreng. Selamat makan, coy.
Makan Joy.
Oh, so yummy. I think this one the best. The lime. Pastel, gorengan. Chicken, nasi goreng ayam, coy.
So I quickly opened the wardrobe, put on some jeans and a t-shirt that seemed clean, topped it off with a pair of those shoes that were ripped around the seams, and I thought, these shoes don't suit me. Hey, I put some new shoes on and suddenly everything was right.
Perut sudah kenyang. Belly, happy belly. Let's go home. Sayur-sayur. Oi! Andrew! Look at this, who's this? What's this guy here?
Say something.
It's very cool. Carsadine!